Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. If you are planning for a new living room and you are searching for a modern wall niche designs, then you can find it all here. Just give you a few valuable minutes and we will showcase you the best design ideas that you ever think. So relax and watch each wall niche carefully and get some great innovative ideas that are recommended by the top interior designer all over the world. Wall niches work as a built-in shelf in your home. They can be installed pretty much anywhere and can especially useful in homes that don't have a lot of floor space to add shelves or cabinets. Aside from storage, they can also help to reduce clutter or work as a way to display possession you want to use as a focal point in your home. There are plenty of different ways to use wall niches, and in this video we are going to take a look at how you can get the most out of wall niches in your own home. Wall niches come in a variety of different sizes, styles and designs. So there's an option for any environment that you want to use them in and the purpose that will serve. The most obvious idea is a function wall niche. These niches can be used to store items like book or decor items. There are a few ways that wall niches can be used when recessing isn't an option. Simple options can include small shelves in the corner of a room. More ornate options can include molding on a wall that extend slightly out from the wall to create a shelf. You can purchase wall niche for as little as under $100. Recessed wall niche come in a few different styles. For a straightforward storage options, you can simply install inset shelves. These are great for storing items like books and towels. For a more elegant look, you can install more shallow recessed with a light position above the alcove. This is a great way to display art. These can be installed as a DIY project if you are looking to save money. You can purchase the alcove insert itself for about the same price as an external wall niche. Your favorite decor items are a good candidate for displaying in your living room wall niche. These design features both glass and wood shelving along with the recessed lighting to add visual drama to the space. A hallway entryway with recessed wall niche can be an impressive design element. These recessed rectangles have a small stacked stone accent wall with backlighting to create an inviting ambience. Wall niches with shelving can be a great place to show off your favorite decor and bring a unique style to the room. These can also be an excellent way to incorporate matching color decor to tie in different design elements for a cohesive look. A fireplace mantle can create an interesting wall nook where one can store a wide variety of things. Above books, baskets, plants, and even firewood utilize the wood functional space. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern living room wall niche, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family. On Interior Decor Design, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscribers and make them aware of modern interior decoration. If you want more interior design ideas on interior and exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get the latest design ideas according to your choice. You will find all the link in the description box below. If you want to follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, then these links are also in the description box. The living room is one of the places that people primarily display their possession, including items like art and photos. A wall niche in the living room is an excellent way to display these possessions without having to worry about a guest or pet may accidentally knock over a shelf. It also helps to avoid a cluttered appearance. Living room wall niche work well both in large or small rooms, as long as the lighting helps accent the recessed part of the wall. Construction of a wall niche can be completed in two basic ways. One way involves knocking out the drywall in an area, then creating a recessed box with wood. Once created, this box can be covered with a drywall and paint on any other material appropriate for the design. The other method of completing a wall niche is by utilizing a prefabricated niche. A prefabricated niche is an insert that is installed after the drywall is removed from the desired area. The prefab wall niche is designed to fit snugly into the hole in the drywall such that the niche can be finished easily after the prefab is inserted. Wall niches of any size and form can be decorated with beautiful decor items like vases, ceramics, figurine. A host of smaller items gathered together will look great in smaller niches. If you have a large niche, then prop one large statement decor piece. A sizable urn or painting also works. Friends, if your budget for your new home renovation is low, then you don't need to spend your hard-earned money on an interior designer. To get the latest interior design ideas, you don't need to search internet or YouTube. You just need to subscribe to our YouTube channel and bookmark our website interiordecordesigns.in. Just have faith in yourself and trust on us. We will showcase you the best interior designs that your home needs. All our designs have a combination of modern and trending interior decoration ideas. Just watch all our videos and follow our website and app to get your home decorated. A recessed wall niche can have a great visual appeal when painted in different hues other than the original wall color. Opt for a bright bold color, lime green, ocean blue and mandarin orange to create a lively bright space. Create dramatic color contrast by applying black paint to a niche surrounded by a pristine white walls. Add metallic paint, patterned wallpaper or a stencil design to provide a visual surprise to a niche back wall. Creating a space in the upper wall of the niche, an artificial light can be adjusted without occupying any extra space. For multiple niches on a single wall, wiring can light into each area creates a stunning radiant wall. Recessed niches is the perfect place to place your favorite piece of art. It can be a sculpture, a pottery or stunner looking piece of art. Eye-pleasing visual weight add dimension to the niches. The best part of this little one piece installation wonder is that there are no set rules for how one might decide to use a decorative wall niche. If, for example, you have a small space, a wall niche can brighten the space up, make it more intimate, as well as making it more significant with the intricate looking architectural detail. Some use wall niches to give more dynamic look to a much larger space. If you are working with a space that is larger and in need of some details, then you can also opt for more than just one wall niche and make, for example, a 3 wall niche series displaying items that complement each other as well as other overall design in the space. You can also use multiple wall niche style to create an interesting design. The only true rule that applies to the wall niche placement is same that applies to art. It should be an eye level of the viewer. Wall niches are perfect artifacts to add a bit of interest to any home or apartment. Of course, it brings some drama and depth to the overall look of the space, but it is nothing unusual or out of place to see in a typical home. Honestly, why does your average sized home have to look average? You alone hold the key to how your home looks, thereby how it is perceived on the grand scale. There is a tasteful way to bring in many classical elements and make everyday design look special. You can perfectly accent a wall with just a single niche. From there, you can have as many as the wall allow. It is a good idea to have at least 6 inches between them so that they don't get so close as to look completely out of place. The more niche you have, the more dramatic the wall will become. An excellent place for wall niche is a long hallway because hallway look rather bland since most people treat it as a bridge of some sort. While in all practicality, it is just a place through which you go to get somewhere else. But you have the choice and opportunity to make it something more. Using varnish is surefire way to make your home look regal and unique. You deserve to have every inch look the way you want it, since it is your space to be in. Friends, if you like this video on modern niche designs and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates whenever we upload a new video. For the latest and trending interior decoration design, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, Pinterest for more design ideas. All links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here. We'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, you can watch our next video that is shown to you.